So that fair trial includes obedience of timelines as is set out by court. It is not a game, neither can it be looked as a lesser right as opposed to the main hearing. It is part of fair trial and Article 50.
Yes.
Article 47 complements, in the context, Article 50 on fair administrative action, so that the court gives directives fairly in this discovery. The best reason we've had why your directives and orders are not being obeyed is that the resources are unavailable or adequate or inadequate for purposes of complying with your order. I reiterate, it has never been an excuse on part of the states not to avail resources and in the process trample on the rights of accused persons. Now that message ought, in one way or another, to be clear and unequivocal to the DPP.
And Your Honor, we do appreciate that. It would be good practice to have full disclosure at the time of taking plea. And that is indeed where the system needs to move towards. Legal provisions, as the court has noted, and infrastructure that is required to support that kind of system in the institutions. It may take us a while to get to that ideal situation.